Hi class, welcome to week 8. You're almost halfway through the semester, so congratulations. I wanted to introduce this week's topic. We're going to be learning about memory and mnemonic devices and talk a little bit about studying as well. A mnemonic device is something that we use to remember something else. A common mnemonic device might be Roy G. Biv. The word Roy G. Biv stands for R for red, O for orange, Y for yellow, and so on, and it describes the colors of the rainbows. So we use Roy G. Biv as an acronym to remember red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. So we're going to learn more about mnemonics and how we might use those in our studying. I think you'll find that you're already using them quite a bit when you're thinking about your material you're studying for class and trying to remember things. But there's other ways you can memorize things as well. You can create visual associations in your brain. You can tell yourself a story about material that you need to memorize. There's lots of tips in this week's lesson and in the textbook. So I want you to really go through that and think about some things that you can utilize. The assignment this week is going to have you evaluate your memory so you can think about the differences between a short-term memory and a long-term memory and how you remember things. And also we're going to evaluate a study session that you've done this semester and talk about whether or not you feel like you're being effective in your studying. So have a great week, and I look forward to reading your assignments.